Hi everybody, welcome back to Thomas and Friends Engines Working Together from episode 6 in Feast Mail series. We're heading off now to Learning Zone, and it's going to be so much fun because it has 4 activities.
Which game?
Recycle challenge, size sorting, fix the tracks, and count the engines. In the 2007 and 2009 release, size sorting was removed from unknown reasons, and a sing-along is added, but sadly it wasn't on the 2005 release. So, anyway, we're going to start off with Recycle Challenge Easy Level, and it's sorting. In the Learning Adventure Curriculum Sorting Easy Level, the appearance of the items, recyclable items on the trucks are the same.
To move and press enter to confirm.
So example of this, plastic, metal and paper.
The trucks by selecting the correct type of item
Right.
to recycle on the conveyor belt.
Let's search
You pick out the metal.
for the metal. And I know the item for the metal in the same trucks, the ladder.
Well done.
Ladders are made from metal. Ladders are for climbing up. So that is the same item we have to look for the truck.
Try a new challenge.
This time, we're looking for the paper.
Let's find the paper.
And the conveyor belt is moving slowly. Of course. Which is really interesting.
Try a new challenge.
Oh, we're doing metal again.
Let's find the metal. You did it.
And I think it looks like a drum or tin, can of food or something. So we found the second metal item. Ooh!
Let's find the plastic.
This looks like hand wash or dog shampoo. We're looking for the plastic.
Well done. They are plastic.
Yeah, I do love looking at plastic. The pink things. Well, dog shampoo or hand wash. Whatsoever.
Get ready for the next challenge.
Oh, it's type of plastic again.
Can you pick out the plastic?
Yes, and that is the air freshener.
Great.
I just knew
They
about
are
plastic. So I knew a phrase for recycle when you're recycling. Reduce, reuse, recycle. That's the main important phrase for when you're recycling.
Let's find the paper.
We're looking for the paper, and it looks like books. Books are made out of paper. And we completed the Easy Level Recycle Challenge, and we got a perfect score. We got a fantastic rating,
No.
which is
Which
good.
size sorting?
So, it's time for size sorting. And the learning curriculum is size comparison and sorting.
Use the joystick.
So
to
in the
move.
size sorting easy level, when the objects are
Keep an eye
moving,
on the
they
card
are
and sort different
moving it
sizes of
slowly.
objects to the correct trucks. 3, 2,
Right.
1, go.
What were we collecting first? We're looking for coal.
You did
Big lumps of coal. Small
Well
lumps of
done.
coal.
it. Great. Hooray! They are small. Hooray! They are big.
So here's Percy sorting out
Good
the
job.
big and small sizes from objects.
Hooray! They are small. Hooray! They are big. Hooray! They are big.
Boy, we're doing so good. We got 50.
Great.
55.
Hooray! They are small. Hooray,
65.
They are big. Hooray,
70.
They are small. Hooray,
75.
They are big. Great.
80.
Well done.
85.
Hooray!
90.
They are small. Good
95.
job.
Oh, that's good. We scored 95. Good job, Percy.
Let's see the next challenge.
And good job me as well. Well done to both of us.
3, 2, 1, go.
Here we go, some shiny jewels and crystals.
Excellent.
So yellow, blue and red jewels are yellow amber, red's the ruby and blue sapphire. And sadly green isn't in it, and that is the emerald. And there's some little shiny balls.
Hooray! They are small. Good job.
I do love those shiny jewels, of course. They come from the mine and caves as well.
Hooray! They are big. Fantastic. Hooray! They are small. Hooray! They are big. Good job.
Fun facts and trivia.
Fantastic.
The instrumental version is played
They are small.
is
Great.
Emily narrating
Great.
after the British Learning
Time's up.
Zone, and surprises in Bertie Beats the Clock that I played in Learning Adventure. And we completed Learning Zone. Anyway, I mean size sorting, sorry. No, we're almost there.
Fantastic.
And we're going to go for count the engines and fix the tracks easy level first before I get to the difficult level.
Play it no.
I think it's time we have to count the engines. And in the easy level is that the engines are going in lower speed.
Press enter to count.
Yes, we will.
Let's
Here's the
count
fat
how many
controller.
engines have passed through the station.
We're
Press
at the
enter to
countryside
count.
and there's the sea.
3, 2, 1, go.
Now, let's count up the engines. There's Edward, Thomas and Arthur.
Press enter to count.
1 Edward, 2 Thomas, 3 Arthur. There's Diesel 10, and that's Duke.
5,
And that's Donald.
6, 7,
So count the engines was one of my favouriteest games yet because it has all the characters in it. Well, some characters I know anyway.
let's see a replay.
So I think 7 is the number I counted at the moment. I was too busy talking.
1, 2, 3,
So we got 3 engines at the moment. Arthur has no whistle. So, of course, on the goose.
4,
It's Diesel 10.
5,
That's 5, 6. Well, Jude doesn't have a whistle in the goof. Nor does Bill or Ben.
7,
So I definitely think it was 7. I think we're getting finished.
Here
First
is the
part
answer.
of count the engines.
Fantastic. You are right.
Yeah, 7 is a fantastic number, of course. Ooh, looks like we're getting a perfect rating. How did I do?
Fantastic. Let's see the next
Time for the next challenge, and we're at the
3,
windmill.
2, 1, go.
Let's count up again. So we found Douglas, 1, 2 Murdoch, 3 Arthur. There's Duck
4,
coming past. Toby,
5, 6,
and that's Ben or Bill. Again, it's hard to tell the difference of Bill and Ben.
7,
7 Donald, 8 Gordon, and there's Percy, number 9. We got 9 engines counted. Let's see a replay again. So here's Douglas. 1 Arthur Murdoch. 2 3. God, we're getting good at this. 4 5 6. And I can see the farm just behind, next to the windmill. 7 8 9. So that's 9 engines counted.
Here is
God,
the
I
answer.
feel good. I feel
Great,
good.
You are right.
on the number 9 counting. Well, on the engines there. Ooh. We're doing so well in the easy level, and we got an excellent rating.
Excellent. Play again?
No, I think it's time we do fix the tracks, but I'll be back on the difficult level for that.
Use
It's
the
time to
joystick
fix
to
the
choose an
tracks.
option and press enter to confirm.
Okay,
Keep an eye on Thomas and select the correct track pieces before he arrives. Use
So
the
in the easy
joystick
level,
to choose an option
we're doing the
and
shorter
press
track.
enter to confirm. 3, 2, 1,
Right.
go.
Here comes Thomas on the way.
Well done. Oops.
Uh-oh, that's not it.
Here is the answer. Great. Fantastic.
Why would we add a toaster in the track? That can cause an accident. So we score 15 at the moment with one incorrect piece.
Try a new challenge.
Okie dokie. Ooh, we're doing a bit longer, shorter track. Longer track. Still short.
3, 2, 1, go.
Right, big track. That is the right track. There's no track, and this is the right track. I think that's bricks.
Great.
This is a curvy track. Not even big enough. That's the right size.
You
I
did
think
it.
that is the right track. That is the right track as well. So we score 45. We done it! We completed easy level in Learning Zone. We still got a good rating. Perfect rating.
Fantastic. Play again? No. Which
We like to
game
play
do
on the
you want to
difficult
play?
level on these 4 activities. That is the next part I'm doing in Thomas and Friends Engines Working Together. Before I go on to Engine Depot for interesting facts about the engines and profiles about them. So thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, comment and like, and I'll see you again later. Bye!